Phil Kinvig, Chief Operating Officer for the Bournemouth Town Centre BID, and we're here at Beale Place for the grand opening of what is a brilliantly designed public space by Bournemouth Church and Full Council. And we at the BID here are curating 2 days of entertainment, children's entertainment, music as you can see, and all sorts of stuff, product sampling from the levy payers in and around. So one of the things that's been great so far in these 2 days has been the feedback from the levy payers and also from the general public as well, who stopped, stayed, listened to the music, and the kind of ideas that it's even now starting to generate for additional events, for additional entertainment, right the way through the year. So it really is just an absolute joy and a privilege to be part of this and to support the town in its continued efforts to make it a great place to come. One of the things that makes Beale Place different, of course, is it's quite circular. I mean, at Bournemouth we've got the famous square by the garden, so now we've got the square and we've got what is now, I suspect, will be called the circle. And one of those wonderful happy accidents, acoustically here, it's great. So you can actually put loads of entertainment on. And it's got some great levy payers and some great businesses in and around as well to draw it through. But it's also about celebrating Bournemouth's diversity and its inclusivity as well. So what better place could you actually have to have some great businesses, great people, great entertainment? And we're really excited a bit about what this affords us the ability to do over the coming weeks and months. So of course one of the great things about this place, as you can see people enjoying it now, is it's a all year round space. During summer, spring and summer you can do this kind of stuff, but in autumn and winter we could put covered canopies in, we could do lighting displays, and of course the really big thing is that for Bournemouth, the Christmas tree award-winning Christmas Tree Wonderland means that we can use this space in that major celebration at Christmas as well. So again, it gives us a brand new angle on which to create experiences, to create events all the way through the year. I suppose I have to take a few minutes just to say thank you to a bunch of people, to Bournemouth Town Centre Full Council for doing this, to Chris Manning from Love and Light Productions, who's basically arranged and organised all of the events over the 2 days, to my team here at the BID, who've done a fantastic job and do a fantastic job on a daily and weekly basis in making the town a great place to live and work. Come down, enjoy it, because it's a great place.